Hi students, in this session we are going to be discuss about an integer division. So whenever you want to perform an integer division, first an n-bit positive divisor is loaded into a register M. In the register M, a positive divisor n-bit is going to be stored. An n-bit positive dividend is loaded into a register Q. At the start of the operation, register A is set to 0. Here see, divisor is loaded in M, dividend is loaded in Q, and the register A value is set to 0. After division operation, the n-bit quotient is in register Q. After it has been completed, so the quotient will store in a register Q, and the remainder is in register A. In register A, the remainder value is going to be stored. So how it is going to be performed will be represented by this one. So here this is the register A value, and here depending upon the operations, so we want to shift the bits into different ways, and we want to perform sometimes a plus operation, that is an addition, and sometimes we want to perform a minus subtraction operation we want to perform. So this is a register A as previously told, so that is going to be stored the asset initially as a 0, and this is a dividend. The dividend value is going to be stored in this one, and the divisor value is going to be stored in this one. So based on the operations, we will move the bit positions, and we will perform the concerned operation. So the division is going to be performed in two ways. The first one is non-restoring division, and the second one is a restoring division. So the algorithm for non-restoring division is first initially set a register A to 0. We want to set initially A value to 0, that is register A to 0. So repeat n times. If sign of A is 0, whenever you take the sign bit of A, so if it is 0, shift A and Q left 1 bit position and subtract M from A. So when we take the sign bit of A, if it is a 0, we want to shift 1 bit position left. A and Q both are going to be shift left, and subtract M from A. Else shift A and Q left and add M to A. So that means if the sign bit is 0, simply left shift A and Q and subtract M from A. If it is 1, so we have only two options. So if it is M, so then A and Q shift left and add M to A. If the sign is A is 0, set Q0 to 1, otherwise set Q0 to 0. So after getting that operation, if the sign value A is 0, set Q0 to Q0 bit to 1, otherwise set Q0 to 0. If the sign is A, if the sign of A is 1, add M to A. So this is called as a restore. So here they are taking one example, 7 by 3, divisor M and dividend this one. So divisor is 3, that is 0 1 0 0 1 1, and the dividend is 7, so that is 0 1 1 1. Here see, this is the values. So here first what we are going to be perform is, so this is initially A is set to 0 and this is Q. So these are the two, A is set to 0 and Q. So what they are saying, so first based on the operation of A 0, this 0, what we want to perform means shift left. We want to shift the bits to left. So that means whenever you are shifting the bits to left means, so this position, this bit will come to here and this bit will come to here, one bit we will got. So after that subtract M value. So whenever you subtract the M value, we will get this value q naught 11110. So after that, so take this value as a 0. One cycle is completed. So after that, again according to the algorithm, just we will perform some operation. Whenever you perform some particular operation, so we want to shift add and set to q naught. So the bits are going to be performed in this fashion, and we are going to be add the value in this fashion, and here we are getting a bit. Second cycle is over. Next, third one, shift add set q naught. So whenever we have this one a value, we want to add the value of m, and we will get the value. Again we will perform a shifting. Next, shift the and subtract q naught. So here finally all the values are going to be performed based on the operation which we have been performed. So that means whenever you take this one, the algorithm, so you want to check, first you want to check that whether the sign bit of a, this value, the sign bit of a is 0. So whenever the sign bit of a value is 0, simply what we want to perform, a and q, so these two we want to shift one bit position left. So this side we want to move. So that means whenever you move this one in this fashion, here we will got an empty. So whenever you move that one and you want to perform a minus m, so already we have minus m value we will identify, and we will add to a, because of 2's complement of m we will take and we will add this value. So again we will got this one. So again we will take a sign bit as a 1. If the sign bit is 1, so just we will shift the bits left, only the bits are going to be shifted, and we will perform an operation a plus m. So again we will get one bit position here. So next, the bit position is here 0. So whenever we have a value as a 0, so we will shift the bits to left and we will perform a minus m operation. So at that time, so third cycle will be over. Next, the bit is 1. Whenever we have a bit 1, so at that time what we will say, if the sign value is 1, we will shift left and we will perform a plus 1. Finally, what we will do means, if sign of a is 0, so finally sign of a is 0, so what we will do, q naught is assigned to 1. So else set q naught to 0. So we will set the q naught bit as a 0. Finally we will get a plus m. If you perform an addition, definitely, because of if the q naught is 1, simply we will discard that. So otherwise if it is n, sorry, it is 1, then we will add that one. So in this fashion we are going to be perform the non restoring division. Coming to the restoring division procedure, so the same procedure here we will perform. So register a is set to 0 as previous one. So after setting a is to 0, shift a and q left one bit binary position. So we will shift a and q values left one bit binary position, subtract m from a and place the answer back in a. So whenever you shift that, simply subtract m from a and place the answer back in a. So if the sign of a is 1, so set q naught to 0 and add m back to a, that is called as a restore. If the sign of a is 0, set q naught to 1 and non restoring will be done. So in this fashion, this is the simple steps that we will perform whenever you are performing the restoring division. So whenever you go for this one example, we will take initially like the restoring division. So just we will take the initially the values as a zeros and q value will be taken. Whenever you take the values, depending upon the algorithm, if the sign of a is 0, so what we will do, if the sign of shift shift A and Q, left one binary position. We will shift all the values one binary position. We will got a empty here. So after moving that one, so what we will do, subtract M. So whenever you perform that one, A is assigned to A minus M. So whenever you perform that one and place answer back in A. So again we will take the bit value as a, and we want to set Q naught value to 0. So in this fashion we will perform the thing. Again the second cycle, shift the values and left and subtract Q naught, same value we are getting 1 here, and the same fashion whatever we have been done here, the same fashion we are following here. So coming to the next one, here the sign bit is also 1. So uh, shift the bits left, subtract the value and set Q naught value. So here also in the third cycle is over. Next shift subtract Q naught to 0. So the same value we are going to be performed here also. So in this fashion we will restore the division. So like this we are going to be perform the restoring division.